Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer that you see right here. These will be easy instructions and it will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you want to reset it, there's really only one setting that's going to be reset, and that is essentially the Bluetooth connectivity. Now I'll tell you why. This out of the box comes like this, and the only thing that you do to essentially set it up and get it ready to be used is you essentially connect it via Bluetooth to a phone and using the DJI Mimo app, okay? And then your app settings for the DJI Mimo app are saved within the app, and essentially that connects to the stabilizer over here, to the Osmo Mobile 6. So when you reset it, you're essentially just resetting the Bluetooth connectivity to the app itself, to the phone itself. And then you just got to reconnect it. It just takes a few moments. So enough beating around the bush, let me tell you how to actually reset it. But I wanted to let you know what you were in for if you actually decide to go through with this reset, okay? As far as I know, a factory reset for this is literally just resetting the Bluetooth connectivity and having to reconnect it to Bluetooth via Bluetooth to the smartphone that you had it connected to before and the DJI Mimo app. Anyways, so how to reset it? Really easy, excuse me. You just have to push 3 buttons together. I'm sorry, I'm due for lunch. I'm due for lunch right now. I should be having my lunch. It's my lunch break, but I'm filming some videos, so I'm just sort of skipping lunch for now. I'll have my lunch later on in the day. So I'm getting some indigestion. It's my body's way of telling me, Mike, it's time to eat. But I'm not even that hungry because I'm working my butt off. Anyways, let's go tell you and show you how to reset it. Essentially, the 3 buttons are the switch button, which is this one right over here, okay? The record or shutter button, which is this one right over here, and the trigger button, which is this one right back here. So you're gonna push those 3 buttons simultaneously at the same time for, it says more than a second, but really just hold them down for a couple seconds. The switch button over here, the reset, sorry, let's try that again. The switch button over here, the record, not reset, but the record button over here, and the trigger button back here. All 3 together, hold them down for a couple seconds, and it will reset. It's literally that simple, and then you're just gonna have to go ahead and connect it to Bluetooth, connect it to your phone via Bluetooth once again. That's it. That is how to reset the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. 3 buttons together, the switch button, the record/shutter button, and then the trigger button back here. All 3 of those together for at least 1 to 2 seconds, and you're good. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.